Hi, I'm gonna show you how to solder and unsolder electronics components on a circuit board. You should know that soldering fumes are bad for your health, so don't inhale them. To soldering well, a tip of your soldering gun should be clear. If it isn't, you only make bad joints. To clear the tip, use utility knife. You also need some tools like tweezers and solder sucker. Using solder sucker, you can remove solder from pads. Good for that is also solder remover wick, but if you don't have it, you can use stripped wire. The most important things you need are a rosin core, the soldering gun, and a rosin. To unsolder electronics components, you have to warm up solder and remove it using solder sucker. After that, you can remove the component. To clean pads, use stripped wire. To solder electronic component, heat the pad and put on tin. But the tip can directly touch the tin. From time to time, put the tip into rosin. To solder the wire, remove isolation using utility knife and twist it. After that, you can tin it. Now you can solder it. If you want solder two wires, remove isolation using utility knife. And twist them together. Now you can solder them. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.